Hello students. So today math, some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Okay. So what is polygon first? Let's remind. It is a closed figure made of straight lines. Okay. So it is a polygon. A polygon may have many sides. It started from 3. So closed figure means minimum 3 sides needed, which is a triangle. So it may be 3 sides, it may be 4 sides, it may be 5 sides, 6 sides. It is also according to side. They have different names. It also already we have discussed in our previous video. So there we read that the total sum of angles of a polygon in interior angles, or in sum of interior angles of a polygon we discussed, and there we discussed a formula that is n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is n is the number of sides, n minus 2 into 180, then you will get the total sum of interior angles of a polygon. But now here question is, what is the sum of a polygon of exterior angles? Okay, so let's start from a triangle. Okay, so simply triangle we just extend the lines like this. Okay, suppose we extend like this angles. So here our exterior angles are, suppose it is 1, okay, it is 2, it is 3. So a triangle ABC and its exterior angles are 1, 2, 3. And question is that what is the sum of 1, 2, 3 exterior angles? So if you say inside, suppose it is angle B, it is angle C, it is angle A, inside angles. Okay, I am saying about inside angles. It is suppose angle A, angle B, angle C, and exterior angles are 1, 2, 3. So generally when you add 1 plus A, it is 180 degree. It is a straight line. It is a linear pair also. So to prove that, and we find out that, just I want to do one little solution. Suppose here angle 1 plus angle A equal to 180 degree. You know it. It is a straight line and they are linear pair, because you can write their linear pair. Okay. Same thing, angle 2 plus angle B also 180 degree. Then angle 3 plus angle C also 180 degree. 1 and plus A, 2 plus B, 3 plus C. So this angles total 180 degree if we add LHS side and RHS side. Okay, let's add LHS, RHS. That means suppose angle 1 plus angle A plus angle 2 plus angle B plus angle 3 plus angle C equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree. Okay, so A, B, C, it is a triangle. Inside a triangle you know that sum of 3 angles is 180. Always any triangle, inside all angles total is 180. You know it very well. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, keep it in bracket. Then angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to how much it is? 540 degree. Okay, 180, 180, 180, it is total 540 degree. Then it is what? 180 degree, sum of a angle. Then angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 540 degree. So in place of angle A plus B plus C, it is 180, because they are interior angles of a triangle. A sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So then angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 540 degree minus 180 degree, it is 360 degree. Okay, so exterior angles of a polygons, when you add, it is always 360 degree. You can test it by taking many figures also. Here also it is understood. Then we will take another example. Suppose it is a pentagon. A pentagon means it is, you can extend same like this. AB, then BC, then CD, then DE, then AE. And exterior angles, suppose 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Okay, same procedure. C A plus 1, B plus 2, C plus 3, like this if you will take. Here also how much you will get, let's see. Suppose angle 1 plus A, same 180 degree, angle 2 plus B, 180 degree, same, all are linear pairs. Angle 3 plus C, 180 degree, angle D, angle 4 plus D, also 180 degree, then angle 5 plus E, also 180 degree, same thing you add, this you add, this side you add. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I will give angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 plus angle 5. Then suppose angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E equal to this much, 900 degree. Okay. When you add all this, 180 multiply 5, so A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. It is a pentagon. Pentagon formula, how much? N, I said that N minus 2 into 180 degree. So it is pentagon means 5 minus 2 into 180. So the interior angles, I want to find out the interior angles of a pentagon. So pentagon's interior formula you know, it is 5 sides means 5 minus 2 equal to 180 degree. That is 3 into 180 degree, 540 degree. Okay, so this much is, here you can in place of A plus B plus C plus D plus E equal to 540 degree. So same thing, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 plus 540 degree equal to 900 degree. Or here you can again write angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 equal to 900 degree minus 540 degree equal to 360 degree again. So from this two example, you just remind that sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. It may be pentagon, it may be hexagon, it may be a heptagon, or it may be n-gon. Okay, so sum of exterior angles is always 360, but interior angles changes according to the number of sides. So by using these two concepts, sum of measure of exterior angles, we will solve the all problems of this exercise. So now we look at the example 1. Find the measure of x. So here is a quadrilateral given, 4 sides polygon, 3 angles outer, exterior angle 3 angles given. Just asking the exterior angle x. So simply you know that all the angles of the exterior angles total is 360 degree. That means x equal to how much? You just add 3 angles, you minus 60 degree. Okay. Minus from 360 degree. So suppose 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree plus x equal to 360. 4 exterior angles total 360. Just to add this 3. How much? It is 250 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. Okay. X equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree equal to 110 degree. Same another example, that is find the number of sides of a regular polygon. So what is regular polygon? A polygon whose all sides are, length of all sides equal each other. That is called regular polygon. So here asking find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each external angle has measured 45 degree. Okay. So if it is a regular polygon, then exterior angles are also equal, interior angles also equal to each other. So we know that is the exterior angle is 360. One exterior angle is 45 degree. So if you divide it, then you get number of sides. Okay. So here you know, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior means all the exterior angles measure is 45 degree. So total sum of exterior angles of a polygon equal to 360 degree. You know it. Okay. So each angle 45 degree given. Okay. Each angle is 45 degree given. The number of sides is very easy. Number of sides equal to 360 degree by 45 degree. Your answer is 8. So number of sides of a polygon is 8. It is a octagon. Okay. Now we discuss exercise 3.2. Number 1 is nothing given. One triangle. A triangle whose two angles given. Third angle is asking. So here what you do? That you just minus from 180 degree. Sorry, 360 degree. Outside angles are 360. 125 plus 125 is 250 minus 360 minus 250. Here also same thing. Here 90 degree. This is this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Here look 90 degree, 90 degree. So 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70. From minus, you minus from 360, you will get x. Okay. Then number 2, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. If a regular polygon is given, number of sides may be 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. If it's given like a number of sides of a regular polygon, then you simply divide by 360 degree. Okay. So number of sides 9 means what? 360 degree minus 9. So each angle 40 degree. If number of sides is 6, then 360 degree minus 6, that is 6 6 36, 60 degree. Okay. So like this, if number of sides is given and asking the each exterior angle, then you simply you divide this number of sides, the 360 by the number of sides. It is number 2. Then how many sides does a regular polygon if its measure exterior angle is 24 degree? Okay. So exterior angle means what? One exterior angle. Number 3. Exterior angle equal to 24 degree. So a regular exterior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, a regular polygon's exterior angle is 24 degree. That means same thing. Okay, so it is divided by 360. If sides given, you divide by 660. If angle given also, if you divide by 660, you will get number of sides. If you divide by number of sides, you will get each exterior angle. Same thing. Okay, so that is 360 degree by 24. That is answer is 15 degree. So each angle will be 15 degree. So same procedure. If sides given, angle asking. If angle given, side asking of a regular polygon, you simply divide it with 360 degree. Then it is number 4. Number 5 is what? No, sorry, it is 3. Again number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon if it will have interior angles 165? Here given interior angle. It is number 4. Interior angle of a regular polygon. Interior angle of a regular polygon is 165 degree. Okay. So you have to find out what is given. how many sides does a regular polygon have? Okay, so how to solve? Let the number of sides of a polygon n. Okay, so each exterior angle, how much? I said that you divide by number of sides. So each exterior angle equal to how much? 360 degree by n. I said that you divide the 360 by the number of sides. So we take here n. Number of sides we have taken and we don't know, we have to find out. So 360 exterior angle equal to how much? The exterior angle is 360 by n degree. Okay. So here given, so 180. So interior angles, interior angle equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree. Okay, so that is 15 degree. That means exterior. Okay, now sorry, it is exterior angle. Interior angle is 165. Exterior angle is 15 degree. We minus when you suppose any polygon when you extend it, your interior angle suppose 165 degree, the exterior angle is what? 180 minus 165. Here same formula we use it. Interior angle 165, the exterior angle is 180 degree minus 165 degree 15 degree. Here exterior angles we get 360 by n degree. Okay, that means 360 degree by n equal to 15 degree. Okay, 360 by n equal to 15 degree. That is 360 degree equal to n into 15 degree. That is 15 n degree. Okay, that is n equal to 360 by 15 equal to 24. The number of sides is of a polygon is 24. Understood? Yeah. So interior angle is given 165 degree. We take that let number of polygon sides of a polygon equal to n. Then each exterior angle must be 360 by n degree because number of sides is n. Then exterior angles here we find out by 180 minus 65 degree. So these two are equal. Okay. So 360 degree by n equal to 15 degree, and here we solved. So number 5, here question asking, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure each exterior angle 22? If exterior angle will be 22, a polygon is possible. A regular polygon is possible. So what? You simply divide 360 by 22. If it's completely divisible, then it is regular polygon. It's not divisible. It is not a regular polygon. Simplify. You just divide. You will know that the 360 is not a divisor of 22. So it is not possible. Interior angles are also same thing. Okay. If you same thing. If interior angles will be, it can be interior angle of regular polygon. Same thing. If interior angle is 22, then exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 22. That is how much? 8, 7, 2, 5, 1. It is also not 360 also not divisor of 158. So it is also not possible. 22 degree if it is interior angle not possible. If it is also exterior angle also, a regular polygon may be possible, but a regular polygon is not possible. Then another question, 6 number. It is intelligent question. What is the minimum interior angle possible of a regular polygon? So regular polygon means first it starts with 3 sides. It is a triangle. If it is a regular polygon, that means it is a equilateral triangle. Okay. understand this. Try to understand. Okay. So regular polygon means all sides equal. Minimum sides polygon is a triangle. If a triangle has all the three sides equal means it is a equilateral triangle. Okay. The equilateral triangle means they asking minimum interior angle, obviously 60 degree. You know it. Equilateral triangle has three angles are, each angles are 60 degree. Then what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Okay, maximum how much? Yet given what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? It is a regular polygon. If it is 60 degree, outer side how much? Minus 180, 120 degree. Here also 120 degree. Here also 120 degree. So minimum possible interior angle of a regular polygon is 60. Minimum possible exterior angle of a regular angle is 120 degree. Okay. So this is all about exercise 3.2 and all about the sum of the measure of a exterior angles of a polygon. So simply you remind one thing. The sum of a exterior angles of a regular polygon, it may be 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides or n sides. It always it is 360 degree. Interior angles changes according to the number of sides, but our exterior angles are 360. If you find out the regular polygons exterior angle is 360 by number of sides. If angle given 360 by angle, you will get number of sides. If sides given 360 by number of sides, you will get angles. So this is all about this today's chapter. I hope you enjoy the video and you understood all this what I have taught in this, what I have tried to taught you in this video. Thank you.